Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are having a terrific Tuesday. That all is going well. It's a beautiful, amazing morning for us to be able to just gear up and think and reflect, right? I'm KellyFrick and we are continuing our back to school series, and today we're going to talk about acne and time. How can these two possibly have anything to do with each other, right? So if there's anything that our teens, right, are most self-conscious about, it's their face, especially acne, right? Acne can be caused by so many things. Their nutritional choices, their pH balance, hormones, hygiene, but also their emotions. And they don't always think about that. We don't always think about that, right? We can get overly just, reflecting on their nutrition and not realize that their emotions can truly be affecting their skin. So does your child, especially your teen, not always establish healthy boundaries with their friends or their classmates? Do they allow others to take advantage of their time, their energy, their talents? So this is where the next oil in our series, Melaleuca, is going to come in. This is a powerful cleansing oil that disinfects, all right? So it's also gentle. It's going to be able to cleanse the skin, especially the face, to restore balance to the health of the skin. And then on the emotional level, it will restore those healthy boundaries to empower your student, your kiddo, to not feel used with their time, with their gifts, with their talents. Because remember, when we address our physical needs, it then opens up our mind to our emotional needs. And this is a super easy way to cleanse the fears, to cleanse our face, our skin, with a drop of Melaleuca, with some fractionated coconut oil, a nice cloth, and just circular motions to just help keep the face cleansed, right? An adding benefit is that it if you put it in, or with it already in your palms, having washed your face and cleansed your face, your skin, is that you have residual still left in your hands. So you can rub together. You can do a palm inhale 2-3 times. They can put it on the back of their neck, especially on the spine into the head, to just really open up all of those emotions, to be able to open themselves up into creating those healthy boundaries. So does your kiddo need to be able to find balance with their boundaries? Does he or she need to balance their skin? Are they related? So if you need help with getting started with Melaleuca or any of the other oils that we've talked about in this series so far, please comment below, reach out to me with private message, or comment below, period, about what your experience has been with Melaleuca, aka tea tree oil, right? I would love to be able to share more with you, to be able to learn more with you, to empower you, to be able to have this amazing, healthy, thriving, lifestyle. So I would love to be able to help you get started, to share with you all of the freebies that I also provide that come with multiple different starts and stuff. So anyways, you guys have an amazing and blessed day full of hope and healing on your health journey. I look forward to sharing with you more soon. All right, take care and God bless.